What is up, everybody? Today's video is going to be very quick and very simple. All I want to do is just to show you Luminar for sky replacement. Lots of videos on this already online. If you download the trial, I get a kickback. If you buy the software, I get a kickback. So this is really beneficial to me as a channel. Straightforward. I make a very little bit of money if you guys do buy this stuff. So thank you if you do buy it. But in general, I just want to show you how easy this is. So this is a photo I took of Sancha when we were at Salsa. It was very bright that day. So the sky is blown out. I have actually edited this to have it a bit more of a blue tint in the sky. The original photo looks like this. This is the photo unedited. So this is the photo straight out of camera. I already retouched it and gave it some color. So this is the finished product. I've already sent it to her. But for this video, I wanted to just show you how quickly it is to fix that sky that's now blown out. If you're the type of person to shoot skies yourself, like if you're out, take a photo with your iPhone or take a photo with your Samsung and then you save them, that's even better because you can use those skies like over and over. So I don't do that often, but I'd like to start. In general, you get skies with Luminar and you can download packs from them. They work really well. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to show you quick, one click. Okay, so this is available as a plugin inside of Photoshop, which is where I use it most of the time. But if you're the type of person who doesn't want to learn Photoshop at all, this is even better because you don't have to, and you can do pretty much everything in here without Photoshop. Photoshop has a bit more advanced level to it, which is great. I enjoy Photoshop, but if you don't want to learn it, you can do your Lightroom stuff and your Photoshop inside the software. When you open up Luminar, you'll be like this. You open the photo you want to open, you go to this one, that's like a art palette, and then the first thing is sky replacement, right? All of these things, so this is for basic color editing and stuff. This is the creative stuff, this is portrait stuff. This is more like play around professional stuff. So you take the art one, sky selection, and you just choose one. So these are the ones that come with it. I know that Sunset 4 works really well for this image. Boom. So no, I haven't done no masking, nothing. You can see how well it's gone around the edge there, and it's gone around her hair really well. I mean, come on. That's zero editing. And then the coolest part about the sky replacement is instead of it just sticking it on the background, it puts some color from that image onto the model. So you can see there's a bit of warmness that comes onto her arms and onto the table and everything. Now that comes from the sky. So the last thing I would say you must do is just blur the sky. So I shot this image at 1.4 and you can see even her shoulder, let me just zoom it in. Her shoulder's already getting blurry, so that sign's blurry, so it doesn't make sense that the sky is in focus. So all you want to do is go into advanced here, look for sky defocus, and then just give it some. Boom, and now the sky is blurry in the background. You can also do things like sky local, which will add more stuff to the subject. You can also do relight scene. The more you put, the more it's going to change the lighting of the shot to adjust to the image you've put in the background. So if you don't want that to happen, you can pull it all the way down. I always give it a little bit. Photoshop itself has its own sky replacement these days, but it doesn't work as well. The problem with the Photoshop version is the sky is always sharp, and there's not really a simple way to just defocus it. You can kind of like drop the opacity of all of it and it disappears. You can't defocus it unless you know how to blur the background. Whereas here, you just pull up the sky defocus. You can also put in atmospheric haze. You can add some temperature to the scene. You can add some exposure to the scene. If the sky is too bright or too dark, you can move around. It's very handy. It's very simple. Try it. It's free. Go down below, get the trial version, just give it a go. If you don't like it, it's fine. If you do like it, please buy it through my link. Supports the channel and it helps me make you guys more content. If you guys want to see the stuff like when I shot this, I had a vlog where I did where we went out with Sancha and I did some portraits with her. If you want to see the behind the scenes of that, it's on my vlog channel. If you want to see behind the scenes of my photo shoots or tutorials, it's on my photo shoot channel. Thank you for coming. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the stuff I'm filming. And thanks again for coming. I'll see you soon. Peace.
Maybe it's